In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate invoices for all or a group of your customers. We've already connected to the QuickBooks Online company and have the approval to connect to it. So row 1 will show the realm or the company number that we're connecting to. Just below that it shows the name of the company. This is my test company that we're connecting to. On row 2, we can select to duplicate invoices or credit memos. On row 3, it says in QuickBooks, create an invoice or credit memo to be sent to multiple customers and enter the reference number at right. So I'll bring over a screen. We have an invoice. It's for annual dues, and we just set this up to be used as a template or the original for the copies that we're going to send to the other customers. So I need to bring this out of the way, and we'll see that we have invoice number 1533 that we're going to be duplicating. So I'll pull these out of the way, and we'll put in 1533 in this box. Row 4 says copy invoice or credit memo and customer list to this program. So I'll click the copy button, and it imports this sample invoice that we've given QuickBooks the number of. It'll also export all of the customers. Now we have a couple of buttons on row 5. We can look at the invoice data that we're going to be duplicating. It shows the product or service, the description, the amount, the various dates that are involved. We'll go ahead and close this screen. Then there's a customers button on row 5. We'll click that button, and it shows all of the customers that we'll be creating invoices for. Now we've already got one invoice for Jenny, and so we'll check all of them, and then we'll just uncheck the one for Jenny so we don't duplicate her invoice. I'll close this form, and then we'll click the import data button, and at that time we'll start transferring invoices from this program to QuickBooks Online. That's been completed. We can view a report. It shows that we created these invoices totaling $1,368, and they were imported on May 8 at 1:43 p.m. So I'll close this screen. We'll go back to QuickBooks Online. We're only showing the one invoice that we originally started with, so you need to click the refresh or the circle up here to refresh this screen, and then you can see we've created invoices for all of these different customers for their annual dues, and you can send those out as needed for their annual dues. This completes the video for how to create or how to duplicate invoices.